Wow, we're just doing a bit of a test here. Gonna try and attempt to drill my table out so I can basically have it set up as a fixture plate as well as being able to mount the vise on it. Just doing a dry run at the moment because that carbide drill bit there was rather spendy and I don't want to break it. We're running at 40% rapid speed just because it moves rather quickly, and yeah, like I say, I don't want to break anything. I had kind of planned on thread milling all of these holes, but I'm a bit of a chicken and I don't want to mess up my plate, so we'll do the carbide drilling and then I'll just hand tap the holes just manually, probably with the drill potentially. But yeah, I just don't want to snap anything, especially not in the main plate, because that plate's rather expensive. So yeah, I will do this test, make sure everything's good, reset everything back up, start the spindle, and yeah, hopefully drill all the holes without any problems. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, well we're drilling, so we'll see what happens, I guess. Just manually add coolant. And I've lowered the feed rate to 50%. Right, we're going to go for a thread mill. I found one, a collet holder, so I suppose we will see what happens. I'm just going to do a dry run first, just to make sure that that the things are in the right place. Just going to drill the holes in the right place. I think it will. It looks pretty good. Well, I haven't changed anything, so it should work. Reset my Z height. I'm just bringing it down really, really slowly to set my Z height. I do have a probe, but the problem is the probe had the collet holder that I needed. So we're just going to manually set the Z height and then we're going to let it eat. Right, so that's got a bit of play there. So I'll reset that to Z0 and go and turn the spindle on, or the VFD for the spindle. It's just really loud with the fans. Right, cycle start, set the new Z height. Now this is either going to work really well or it's going to hit and explode the bit. So we'll see what happens. Wow, managed to drill all the holes with the drill bit and thread mill all of the holes without breaking either the drill or the thread mill. So I'm pretty damn happy with that. Got a pretty good fit. It screws in reasonably well. It gets a little bit tighter at the bottom, but I think it, like, not very. But I'd rather have it a little bit tighter at the bottom, just for a bit more accuracy. But that's solid. So now I've got a whole bunch of holes I can play with. I might come back later and do another one in the middle of each of those. We'll just have to see, but these are 50 mil spaced between that way and that way, between X and Y. So I think that should give me enough holes for a start. But yeah, pretty happy with how that went. I was quite surprised that I didn't break anything, to be honest, because I've never thread milled or wood drilled holes on this mill yet. So yeah, it went pretty well. Happy days. We'll be using all these holes for future projects, and yeah, thanks for watching.